Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Partisia blockchain token, or coin I should say. Ticker symbol is MEXC, and this token is getting I'm going to keep saying token because I always say token, but technically if it's on its own blockchain it's a coin, so just bear with me. I'll probably say token just by accident 700 times. But this token is being listed March 19th on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the MEXC coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So I was just scrolling through their Twitter, and they actually have a ton of brand new central exchange listings. So I did see a couple big ones, but there's way more than that. So some of them are not available in everyone's country, so I'll tell you a bunch of them here. So tomorrow, March 19th, at around, 10 o'clock UTC time, this token is being listed on Bitrue, Kucoin, looks like Gate and Bybit as well. Don't quote me on that, but they're, March 19th, Gate, and I think Bybit as well. But yeah, bunch of brand new exchange listings here. So you can get it by downloading Gate or Kucoin from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get them on your PC. Fund your account with USDT when it gets listed tomorrow or today. Whenever I upload this video, I'm probably going to actually upload it March 19th. So when it gets listed today, March 19th, on those exchanges, then you just buy the token with your USDT. Now, if Kucoin, Gate, and Bybit are not available in your country, because all three of those exchanges are actually not available in my country, you can get this token also off of Bitrue, so that one may be available in your country. I do have a Bitrue referral code down there in the description box, and basically you just follow the same steps. Just go right through that referral code down there for Bitrue, and then fund your account, USDT, go into the trade section, search MEXC, and then simply just buy the token. So they have 208,900 Twitter followers. I'm going to put that up in the corner of the screen there, at Partisia MEXC, gold verified checkmark, 1,669 tweets. You click on the link tree. They have a link to an airdrop, their webpage, Block Explorer, GitLab, Telegram, Discord, Twitter, resources, and news articles. So all sorts of stuff there. On their webpage, they have a development section where you can check out documentation, ecosystem, hackathon, grants program, validators. They can explore the use cases for the token information, roadmap, airdrop. There's careers, press kit, foundation, news, decision maker guides, blog, and research. Empowering people, protecting privacy, the Partisia blockchain. Our mission, Partisia blockchain allows users to compute all kinds of data while maintaining complete data privacy at rest, in transit, and in use. Our digital lives run on data. We have hundreds of digital traces every day through our computers, mobile phones, and smart appliances. This data forms a profile of us, our digital shadows, but how can we ensure our digital shadows remain accurate and, most importantly, private? At work, how can we share commercially sensitive information with third parties and ensure it remains secure? Today, legislation and security software strive to protect us. But these are partial solutions. Each represents a single point of failure. When they fail, they lead to massive data breaches we often hear about in the media. These shortcomings are a source of friction for seamless information sharing and realizing the digital economy's full potential. Partisia blockchain offers the solution: complete data privacy at rest, in transit, and in use. What makes Partisia blockchain different? Partisia blockchain delivers complete data privacy at rest, in transit, and in use by combining advanced multi-party computation, and that's what MPC stands for, multi-party computation, to bring privacy to public blockchains, scalability via built-in sharding at both the protocol and smart contract layer, the industry's most secure interoperable token and data bridge. So there is privacy on public blockchains, unlimited scalability, bring your own coins, and ease of use. So the use cases for this blockchain are advertising, internet searching, whistleblowing, reuse credentials and KYCs, matching markets, demand response, DNA sequencing, gaming, healthcare, cross-chain, DeFi, Bitcoin swapping, and auctions. Start building on Partisia blockchain. So the blockchain is pioneering technology that redefines privacy and scalability on the chain, built for trust, transparency, privacy, and speed of light finalization. Discover how to leverage this unique technology to build market-beating applications. Participate in a hackathon. Our hackathon brings together innovators, creators, and tech enthusiasts to collaborate on solutions that prioritize privacy, security, and ethical data practices. Be part of the movement, amplify the message, and let's build a more secure Web3 together. So their metrics, they have here 4 total shards, 10.2 million total transactions, 14.99 million total blocks, and 97 global validators. Built by world-leading thinkers, we are a team of seasoned professionals with a wealth of experience across many disciplines, including advanced cryptography, cybersecurity, blockchain technology, economics, and management. They have tons of partners like Frax, Emergo, and then they have getting started guides. If you want to get started doing stuff, you can click on Start Building, Run a Node, Get Tokens, Connect the Wallet. So if you click on Explore, you can click on MPC Token. That'll take you to a different page specifically about the token. There is a wait list you can join, but you don't need to be on a wait list. You can just get this token from Bitrue tomorrow. It's interesting because it's a coin, but they refer to it as a token as well. I'm always correcting myself because there's sticklers out there who are like, it's a coin, it's not a token. And you can use them interchangeably just like this page does. So don't be a stickler. It's a coin or a token, right? Anyways, what do you guys think about that? Coin or token, do you guys use them interchangeably, or are you real sticklers about it? Leave a comment down below. I mean, yeah, and then go check out this token. Check out all the referral codes down there, like that Bitrue one where you can find this token listed tomorrow. Like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.